Hello, this is Coding Gicha for full-stack developers. The first web server was CERN HTTPD, developed by Tim Berners-Lee, the architect of the web at CERN. NCSA HTTPD was the first commercial product. However, when developer Robert McCool moved to Netscape in 1994, NCSA HTTPD development stalled. In 1995, the developers came together and integrated various patches based on the NCSA HTTPD 1.3 source code, creating the Apache HTTP server. In 2004, the NGINX web server, which boldly removed unused features and focused on lightweight performance, was released. It became a widely used open-source web server alongside Apache HTTP server. NGINX is a web server implemented by Igor Sasov to address the Apache HTTP server C10K problem, which allows it to respond to requests based on asynchronous events. The C10K problem in Apache HTTP server refers to the problem of processes failing to properly handle 10,000 sockets even with sufficient hardware due to I/O processing issues. Because a single page contains numerous files, including images, CSS, and JavaScript, 10,000 socket requests can arrive quickly. The NGINX web server not only offers high performance and easy configuration, but also adapts quickly to the latest technologies. While NGINX 1.25 supports HTTP 3, Apache HTTP server has no plans to support it yet. Some argue that the Apache HTTP server offers extensive flexibility through various modules. However, in reality, it's an accumulation of features and modules built over a long history, which means it still holds onto obsolete features and may even lack support for newer technologies. PHP is widely used to create dynamic web pages, but Apache and NGINX integrate PHP differently. Apache integrates with a subset of Apache modules, while NGINX integrates with the Fast CGI process manager, which has no coupling with the web server. Apache configures PHP modules as a global Apache entry, allowing only a single PHP version to be configured, resulting in stronger coupling. NGINX allows you to configure the Fast CGI process manager on a per-site basis, giving you the advantage of being able to use multiple versions of PHP. Most web servers are not used alone, but rather in conjunction with a database, interpreter, or application server. A stack consisting of Apache, MariaDB, and PHP is called the AMP stack, while a stack consisting of NGINX, MariaDB, and PHP is called the EMP stack. Stacks specifically for Linux operating systems are called the LAMP stack and the LEMP stack, respectively. As mentioned earlier, NGINX boasts higher performance, faster support for the latest technologies, and advantages such as module decoupling, leading to its higher preference and market share over Apache. Therefore, the LEMP stack may be a better choice for Linux environments. For Windows environments, they are called the WAMP stack and the WEMP stack, respectively. While NGINX offers many advantages over Apache, NGINX for Windows uses a limited set of methods, so it lacks high performance and scalability. Furthermore, it remains in beta testing, with known issues not yet resolved. Apache also offers higher performance and scalability on Linux than on Windows. However, it's ironic that Apache is losing ground to NGINX in Linux environments, while it can be used as an alternative to NGINX, which is still in beta in Windows environments. Linux is ideal for proper PHP development, and NGINX offers higher performance when used for both development and service. However, if you need to develop on Windows, Apache is a better choice than NGINX. In Coding Gicha, I'll be using Apache on Windows and NGINX on Linux. Thank you for watching.